Okay, let's compare this side. And here. Are the left and right sides of our stitches now? He's still going to be a little bit different. Good. After you sew a circle, let's talk about the long thread. What about the long line? See if your line is very long. Then we hide the scissors. If it is not too long or the line is not enough. Let's hide for a while. After watching this thread pull too much, he'll be a little loose, not sticking together. Okay, after we sew another round here, let's thread this thread back where it came from. This side goes in and the needle comes out here. Okay, the needle goes in on the left, and the needle comes out on the right. Pull over and follow this V shape here. Let's put it on the other side. Isn't that so obvious? Can't see it? The opposite side is also the same. And then wear it to the opposite side. I'm not wearing this right on the opposite side. I leaned over like this. From this side to the opposite side. Okay, then like this. Wear it. Wear it anywhere. And when the thread is cut here, pull it tight first. And after cutting, he tensed up because he just started. He'll shrink inside to get this thread. In this way, our smiling face is ready. Then like this we have. The crayfish clasp might be tighter. I can't get it out like this. Very tight. Then if you really can't get it out, we will use, I have something hard in my hand. Go press the little tongue under him. Suppress this. Press down like this. Then he can buckle on his side, because he is doing the paint on it. Is it possible that he will stick it on the dough? Stuck together. Will be tight. Good. In this way, our pendant is ready. Then we take out the rest of the wire to do this stream. So then I don't have much left. Then we made this tassel, slightly smaller. First cut 2 wires for him. One of these 2 is used to tie. The one above is used to tie the one next to this one. What about these 2 wires? One is a little longer, a slightly shorter. The longer one is used on top because it needs to be typed, because there are 2 more rounds to tie the knot. Then our tassel. Use our fingers to wind the wire directly like this. I'm pressing this thread here with my thumb. Then go around like this. Try to keep him in the same place. Like this, the length inside is the same. If you click here, the length is not the same. There is no fixed number of laps. Is what you want to do slightly bigger? Then you go around a few more times. Mine probably. What about the ones my previous seats made? Probably in the 2015 to 20 laps. Just go around like this. 15 to 20 turns, and then I take this long piece of thread. Go through the middle. Tie a knot at the top. Tie a knot and pull it tight. Then tie a knot here. Tighten up a little more. Okay, these two Ys, put it on top. Then below here. Take another stick. Come back in a circle. Then tie the knot. Come back around and tie the knot. This knot can be pulled very tight. It's the circle around. Need to pull it tight too. Just pull, this knot can be pulled. Taut. Also tied in 4 knots. Well, after the knot here, look at his line, he will stick to it. If it sticks up, will you use sewing needles? Tilt up. This one goes through his middle here. From here where he tied the knot, and then go through the middle. It's a bit tight, so I have to wear it from the middle. There are lines in the middle that are pulled out along the lines. Wait a minute and upload again. If the line is very short, just put it on and adjust it here. And pull this suture needle through the middle. Good. And if the other one is not warped, don't hide like this. What if it's still on top? Just put it like this. Hide it in the same way. Then we put the following. Cut all. He's not the same length after cutting. We are pruning. If you want him to be smaller and cute, we can cut this tassel a bit shorter. All while doing. Just make it smaller. But since we're pruning, try not to be too short. I'd rather just cut it later. Now we've got it done. Let's get this thread up there. Where are these two wires? I am. Take this together with sewing needles. The needle eye is too small. We use this big needle eye. In this way. Stay above. What is the size of this ring? About the thickness of my index finger. So I put it on our index finger. Then from just now we tied this position. Go through. Because here, I want to keep him from leaking this. knotted this. Is this knot not to be exposed? In order to make him into a shape like this. What if it's inconvenient? Tie a knot directly on it. Then you can put it in. What about me? It's here to fix him up first. Then thread it through the middle to make tassels. Here you can adjust it a little bit. Everyone adjust a little bit. Then on this, the size of the ring, you can also adjust it yourself. And when it's done, it's like this. And put it directly into this. Because of the wool, he splits when you wear it. So what? Be a little careful when wearing this. Good. In this way, our pendant is ready.